Hello guys, this is Just Like Marie here. Well, this is another thing. I'm gonna start, guys, that this is my very first upload, I guess, making something. So I hope you guys enjoy it. This one is actually one of my favorite ones when I was a kid, and I haven't tasted it. So I went and checked, some videos if how can I do it myself, since it's so expensive to buy it as is. So yeah, so this is kind of like my own twist. I kind of changed, like, 2 ingredients there. So yeah, again, please stay tuned and watch me. So this is actually the mango. This is a mango that it's a Mexican mango. So I can't find the Filipino kind mango, or the, what do you call this, the long one. I don't know what it's called, but yeah. So this is a mango. I already peeled it and sliced it to a smaller slice, thinly sliced like that. So there you go. And I saw one video actually that she used the garlic. So I'm gonna use the garlic also. I haven't tasted one with the garlic, so I wanted to do it and see if it's gonna taste good. So I'm just gonna slice it like that. Probably just thin like that. I don't want to eat the garlic. I just want the garlic to, have a taste to that pickled mango. So, there you go. So I'm gonna put the garlic there. It's a big piece. So now I don't need the knife and the chopping boards. Okay, and I have 2 jars right here that is ready, clean and sanitized. This is just a regular jar, when you buy a sauce, like a pre-made sauce already. Yeah, that's just a jar. Let me get, I probably need a bigger spoon. You just get the 2 small ones. Well, it's still a tablespoon. So there you go. So I'm gonna put the salt. This is just the iodized salt. We use a lot of salt here, but for some cooking, like if we're gonna do some cooking that needs a different kind of sauce, we have different kind of salt. We have the Himalayan salt, but I'm not gonna use that right now since I'm just doing a pickled mango. I hope you guys like this pickled mango. When I was a kid, my grandma always make this pickle, cabbage, pickled mango, pickled a lot of pickled. Pickled mango is just fermented mango. It's really good to eat it with fried fish or anything fried. Actually, I just eat it like this too, as is. So just put enough salt. I know that's too much salt. You think that's too much salt? But the salt is actually the one who's gonna help it to ferment the mango. Oh my god, that's a lot. I use this. It's like I recycled it from the Parmesan cheese to put the salt, because I bought this big box of salt and I put it in there. Yeah, and then you just mix it like this. You mix it, just mix it, just mixing it. Cheers. But I'm not gonna drink that right now because I want to show you guys how to make my pickled mango. My mango is kind of a little bit of ripe already. Like, I bought this. It's still kind of. It's not so soft, but now when I used it, it's soft now. I think you're not supposed to wait 2 days before you start using your mangoes. I think I'm gonna put another, a little bit more salt to really get that juice out of the mango. I don't know, but I will tell you guys once this is done. And after maybe 24 hours, maybe a few hours is good enough already to ferment this mango. So yeah, there you go. I don't want too much salt, so put the salt right there, and just keep tossing it like this to mix all that salt to the mangoes and the garlic. There you go. And then you're gonna put I don't know if I wanted to use the whole pepper, but we'll see. Maybe use maybe the whole pepper. I'm probably gonna put a little bit of the chopped one, the grind one. So there you go. Just a little bit of that pepper to get that peppery kick. You guys should try this. It's good with fish. Like, I really like this. Eat it with fish, fried fish, maybe tuyo or tinapa. Oh my god. Oh my god. See the juice? Oh my god. I wish I have a cameraman so that my cameraman will actually point it this way. But we'll see. I'll figure it out. Okay. There you go. And then sugar. It all depends to you if how much sugar you want it to put in there. But since, like I said, my mango is kind of ripe already, so there's like sweetness to it already. So I just kind of eyeball it. I'm really not measuring it. So there you go. Probably just that much. I don't want. Maybe I'll probably put some more salt. You know, salt is bad for you. You know, you're gonna eat this anyway with, you know, something like tinapa, daing, or fried fish. Wow, good. Yeah, I think it's better to use the whole peppercorn. I'm just using the black peppercorn. So now, I saw some people, they use the fresh chili, like those little Thai chili, the smaller one, or what is in the Tagalog, the labuyo. We don't have that, so I'm gonna use the pepper flakes, chili flakes, red crushed pepper or chili flakes. I don't know if it's spicy. Let me see. Because I want my pickled mango with a little bit of spiciness to it. Spicy. I think my son is gonna like this one because he likes spicy food like mommy too. So there you go. Oh my god, that's a lot. That's enough. That's too much. That's too much, but we'll see. We'll see. We're gonna taste it anyway. We're gonna taste a little bit of it. So, yeah. So while my jar is drying up right here, I'm still probably gonna wipe it down. We'll see. I'm like so excited for this. But actually, it tastes better if you really let it sit for a while inside the fridge. God. I'm having my mouth is watering right now. Let's see. Probably, I don't know if I should add a little bit more salt and sugar. Wow. If you guys can smell it right now, the smell of the mango. Hope you guys can smell this. There you go. I think I put enough salt, and I think the sugar is enough for the sweet, salty, sour taste of it. So I'm probably just gonna add a little bit, a dash of pepper. Or maybe not. If this is gonna come out, if it's just gonna turn out good, I'll make a lot. Oh my god. Let's see. Like I said, I only use mangoes. If you guys can get the Filipino kind mangoes, the sour one, yeah, that's the best one to use. And I use peppercorn, a whole peppercorn, the black one. It's okay if you want to use, you know, a different kind of peppercorns, it's fine. But I only have the black peppercorn, so that's what I use. And then sugar, salt, chili flakes, and if you guys want to use the fresh chili, it's fine too. You just have to chop it up in small pieces, and so you can add it in there. But since, like I said, I don't have the fresh chili, so I had to use the chili flakes. And did I forget to mention something? Oh, the garlic. I put the garlic there because I've watched one of this cooking channel, and she actually put garlic, and she said it tastes really good, and she liked it. So I kind of like, you know, added there too. So that's my that is my pickled mango, guys. So we're just gonna wait for a little bit so I can put it in the jar, okay? So we're just gonna let it sit for a little bit more to let those juice out. So now I let it sit for a little bit, so now we're gonna put it in a jar. This jar, the key jar right here that I have, actually all from sanitizer. Just a regular jar from pasta, the sauce for the pasta. So I'm gonna put it in here. There's all that juice. Once it sits there for maybe a few more hours, I think I only need one jar. I don't think I'm gonna need 2 jars. So yeah, we'll see. Maybe 1 jar is enough. But if it comes out okay after like a day or 2, I'm gonna need some more. So again, see? You guys can't see because the lighting is not that great, but see that? You see those peppercorns? And where's that garlic? The garlic is hiding here somewhere. See the garlic, peppercorns, chili flakes, and you see that juice that comes out from the mango? That's the juice from the mango. That's after you added the salt and okay, now we're done. Okay, this is the finished product of my pickled mango. You see, I put it in the jar. Look at that pickled mango. You see all that bell peppers, the peppercorns, the chili flakes. You see that juice that is in there? That came from the mango. See? Oh my god. I'm like so excited to taste this one. You see? There you go. Pickled mango. We're gonna taste it. We're gonna taste it. the verdict. We're gonna try. Oh, but all the juice is out there, like down there, right here. All that juice. But once I let it sit for a few more hours, or probably for the next day, it's gonna taste even better. Yeah, we're gonna try. Pickled mango, guys. Pickled mango. Hopefully, you guys can make this one and make your own, or kind of do your own twist of the pickled mango. Yeah, try it, guys. It's so easy to make. Very, very easy. Pickled mango, I like just like Marie.